Let's start. Include stdio.h, include ponyo.h, void main, which is our main library function, clear screen, get th. Let's make the user defined data type struct simple interest. Int amount, float rate, float years, float si, which is variable, and si in a small letter. Printf, enter amount, scanf to take an input from user, %d, ampersand si dot amount, printf, enter rate, scanf %f, %f, and si dot rate. Printf to print the information, enter year, scanf %f, ampersand si dot year. Si dot si is equal si dot amount multiply by si dot rate multiply by si dot years divided by 100. Let's print the output. The simple interest is %f, enter amount 10,000, enter rate 3, enter years 7.